Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the essentials: a working SIM with mobile data, an OEM USB cable, and your phone unlocked. On Android, open Settings, Network, and Internet, then turn mobile data on and tap Hotspot and Tethering, enable USB tethering. On iPhone, connect the cable and enable Personal Hotspot in Settings. Make sure Allow Others to Join or USB only is active. Once done, keep the phone screen awake so the PC can detect the tether reliably and prevent accidental sleep interruptions. After enabling tethering, plug the phone into your PC and watch for a new network adapter. On Windows, open Network Connections and look for a remote NDIS or USB Ethernet device. Right-click and choose Diagnose or Obtain IP automatically. On Mac OS, the iPhone USB should appear in Network Settings. Select it and apply. On Linux, identify USB 0 or WAN 0 and run sudo dhclient USB 0 or use Network Manager to request DHCP. Make sure the PC gets an IP, gateway, and DNS from the phone before proceeding. Now verify the link. Open a browser and load a lightweight site, then run a speed test to confirm throughput and latency. If pages fail, restart the phone's tethering and the PC network adapter. Make sure mobile data hasn't hit a carrier block or data cap. On Windows, mark the connection as metered to prevent large updates. If problems persist, toggle USB debugging, reinstall phone drivers, and try a different cable or USB port. This single tip often resolves detection and driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.